Destroyer Nova controllers at work. Oh, wrong platoon. Oh, crap. I hit the wrong platoon. I don't think Omega. Rocket Buggy's gonna do it. Let's see here. Yeah, here we go. So this unit's got Elite Nova, Elite Hive, Elite Romeo, level 10 controllers, and level 10 destroyer. You're going to take damage on these advanced material bases, but so far I've got almost 50,000 in advanced materials. Spent 45 gold to repair the platoon so far. These advanced material bases are a little tougher than anything else. Even though they're supposed to be 100 base, they're worse than the 250 bases, I believe. And now here we go. Da 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 da! Here we go. Love these controllers at level 10. And boom shakalaka. Here comes the destroyer. It's a real slow unit, but it packs a punch. You can see Romeo's doing what he does best, just kill every motherfucker. Get destroyer off to the side. Destroyer one shot takes out vehicles, really nice. See, not much. You take damage. If I repair regularly, it'd probably be about 4 hours. Watch how those controllers just take out that power. And the key is just to go slow. Beam a spot. Just take it slow. Pick your targets out. Keep your distance. And the Hive, I just love this guy. He just sends every damn thing out. And that's how you do the base. And look, 2,000. You name from 2,000 to 5,000 in materials. And just show you. Romeo took the most damage, but you can see all the other units survived really well.